Good morning, it's me again, Daryl. Those of you who seen any of my videos know I have the 78 Ironhead Sportster, and it came equipped with drag pipes. I finally got this thing out on the highway to give it a run to see what it's like, and doing hills, it's absolutely loud. It is loud. So I went on Fort 9 and got myself some cheap baffles. I think they were about 10 bucks for two of them. So I'm going to try it, and if it's not good enough, I can always put a little bit of wrap around to quiet them down. I don't have much of a see how big they are, like from here, like to push that in, that's tight. So I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to give you a check to see, you know, how loud it is now before I put the baffles in, and then afterwards I'll see if I can get the decibel meter put on there as well. Okay, let's give it a try. Right now we're at 4.5 feet away from the bike. Idled up a little bit more. This thing's horrible. Anyway, I'm around 85, 87, up to 100, some 90. Okay. So what we're going to do is going to lie on the dirt here, and we're going to put the baffles in. I got myself a new Amazon work mat. Put that down. So one of the easiest mods I think you can do is put baffles in, especially if they're pre-drilled. So there's a hole here. There's a hole in the back of the pipe. Slide your baffle in. Find your hole. Sometimes you just use a little screwdriver to kind of get it where you want it. Now I take a pair of needle nose pliers. Okay, so you got your bolt. You got your hole in there lined up. You should be able to just slide her in, but she won't go. Okay, we'll try it this way. Maybe I can see better. Yeah. Tickety boo. Harley riders, Harley owner's best friend. Down the back here. Let's go this way. A little dab of Loctite. I still use a lock washer and my bolt. Yeah. A little bit with one finger. Screw it in there. This goes closed in. One end on. Just snug it up. You don't have to kill yourself trying to get that tighter. So the second one is a little harder, but I'll put you this way. Second one's a little further down, so little harder to see. Okay, there he is, lined up. Get our bolt. Tickety-boo, we're in there. This one I can drop it down. Put my bolt back in and nut back on. There we go. Snugged up. And we're done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I'll take you now and I'll give her I'll fire it up, put you same distance, 4.5 feet away, and we'll see what that sounds like. So we'll start you up and see what we got here. That's what we're getting for decibels. So I think baffles do make a difference, if not lower the decibels, but at least lower the tone of the bike, sharpness, the real cracking sound. It really brings that down quite a bit. So hope this helps somebody, and like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it. I'm up to 35 subscribers now, so thank you.